Look at me now, balling out. About 6 in the morning, showing out. Balls hogging, man. Stalling out. Bow! Still sipping real slow in that fold dog, grinding real hard in Chicago. I can get a red bone with my eyes closed. Or a blindfold. Walk in the club, me and my cousin got about 5 hoes. They sliding up and down the pole. On me, she's grinding. Real slow, dressed in my polo. Oh no, going hard though. In the 2 though, Jack still getting ass. Ask my cousin how many girls he is gonna take to the pad. Ha, she bad, yeah, they bad. Give my baby cash, she gives me ass on site. Catch a plane, on flight, take trips everywhere all night. No lights, about to do it all night.
I'm swagged out Ike. Can you see him look like T.O. Ike? Follow us on Twitter. Don't look itter. Look like Westside Comeback Itter. We on Holly Street. Call it Malibu. You turned up Malibu. Look like a quality. $100 jeans with the swagged up in. $100 bean where you turn like lean. I hit you with that chopper so fiend, boy. Like you got a $100 braid. $100. Amen, I'm the man. $100 stat, your girl want me. Kim Kardashian dance on me. Westside turn to a level. Keep spinning like the spinning wheel like ever. Like red top Chevy. Don't get ready to come popping up 11. 2011, $100 swag. Ball at 18 and I'm coming right back. Look like that. That's my cousin. Sweat out, turn like oven. Look like Coven, look like Sun. Westside look like Beyonce. $100 braid, I'm on the braid team. Look like 18, a nigga not braid fiend.